In this video I will show you how to enable tabs option in Microsoft Office all version easily in 2022. See tabs option not enable. How to enable. See full video. To enable tabs option you need a software name is Office tab. I already download the software, link below description. Install the software. The software installed successfully and working well. See tabs option enabled successfully and working well in Office application. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.